Hello fellow traders. As you can see, last week's video was on point. I guess this tool is again just amazing as long as you just follow it to the T and not follow your subjective analysis, but just trade when it's not electing on time meets. That's all you have to do. If you deviate from that, you'll make mistakes, you lose money. But that's just my opinion. I'm not financial service. I'm here just to have fun with this, help other people understand it. Probably make a subscription since maintaining this is costly. But again, we're moving to either to test this, you can see it here, or have a big turning point this day. Might just bounce from 1260, which is the reversal here, as you can see. So again, VIX is a very volatile. Get in, get out. Don't stay in it. Have a nice trade.